Hi, and welcome to Baker Affair. I'm Pika, and on today's episode, I'm making Linzer tarts, but with a twist. I'm making them with lemon instead of raspberry, a nice lemon curd that I made last week. It'll be up there if you're looking for it. But this Linzer tarts are delicious. They melt in your mouth. So let's get started. Let me tell you what the ingredients are. The ingredients are a cup of unsalted butter, a cup of powdered sugar, 2 large egg yolks, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of almond flour, and half a cup of your jam or jelly or this. That's my lemon curd that I just made last week, which is actually, I just made it before this video, but that's the curd. So when we start off with the butter in a bowl, and we cream with, we all know this fine mixer that I always talk about. I'm sorry, it's just, you know when you have one of those thorns in your side? This is literally my thorn in my side. And if anybody has any recommendations, I've asked this before and I'm not going to ask it again, this will be my last time. If you have a recommendation for a mixer, a hand mixer, not too not too expensive, because I'm not into expensive. My last mixer was like $20 and it lasted me for like, I don't know, 15 years. This one costs more and it's not my favorite. Sometimes I smell it, burning because I'm going, working too hard. And I have the KitchenAid mixer, but you know what a pain in the butt that is. You got to take it out. I only use it really for like pizza or bread dough that I want it kneading for a million years. Other than that, it's too much of a bother. I don't bake in large quantities because it's just me and my husband. So anyway, let's get back to the recipe. Come down here so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to cream the butter so it's nice and light before I even stick the sugar in it. And then I'm going to add the sugar, which is powdered sugar right here. And then I'm going to add the egg yolk. And I'm going to mix that until it's combined. And I'm only adding 1 egg yolk because I'm only making a half a batch. And I didn't tell you that, but I will leave the full recipe below so you can make it yourself and tell me how delicious they are back in the comments, because they are so good. They melt in your mouth. They're so delicious. Anyway, let's get back. Okay, now that everything is incorporated in this dough, we're going to put it in plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator for an hour or up to 24 hours. Or not 24, 2 days. And I like to shape it kind of the way I'm going to be rolling it out. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. You can stay in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. I've been known to leave it in there for 3 days. It still works, so give it a shot. These are super easy, really quick to work up. Great for Valentine's Day, I'll show you. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with this. Let's see, because I actually think I made a mistake. I think I put too much lemon juice in, but we'll see. It's just the way I roll. I'm going to lightly flour the surface. Hold on, come down here. Okay, so I floured it. Here's my dough. I'm going to flour that too because I feel like I literally added too much lemon juice. We'll find out. It's still going to be good, right? Okay, let's try to cut. I'm doing hearts for Valentine's. And little hearts that go inside. Okay, so I'm going to take these, stick them in the oven for approximately 9 to 10 minutes until they look like they're done, and then I'll pull them out. See you in a bit. Okay, so they're out of the oven and they've cooled. I have them on a cooling rack, and now I'm going to put the lemon curd on them. Let's see how I do it. Watch. Okay, so I forgot to turn back on. How? I don't know, but I forgot to turn the camera back on. So these are all filled. And now I'm going to add some powdered sugar on top of them. Don't those look delicious? They're going to be so good. And because I'm giving these away as gifts, I'm literally going I'm going to take one of these little small little cutouts, and I'm going to dip it in. To me, this would be a great party treat, believe it or not. They're like so buttery. The minute you bite down on one of these, it just melts right into your mouth. They are so good. I hope you give them a try. They're so good. I hope you give them a try. If you like this content, I'm still new, but if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. Share if you wish. And until then, I'm going to leave this recipe below. And not I'm only going to leave this recipe below, I'm going to leave the lemon curd video over here. So if you want to make it, because it will set up and it'll be delicious. And if I haven't told you lately, I appreciate you watching and thank you. Till the next time, ciao.